Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a renowned Indian investor and businessman. He is considered one of the most successful investors in India, having built a fortune through his investments in the stock market. He is also known as the Indian Warren Buffett due to his investment style and success. Jhunjhunwala began his career as a chartered accountant, but quickly transitioned into the stock market. He started investing in the stock market in the mid-80s and has since built a portfolio of successful investments in a variety of companies. He is known for his long-term investment approach and his ability to identify undervalued companies with strong growth potential. Jhunjhunwala's investment success has made him one of the wealthiest individuals in India with a net worth in billions. He is also a highly respected figure in the Indian business community, known for his wisdom and expertise in the stock market. He is also a regular speaker in many investment forums and seminars.
Jhunjhunwala was born in a small town in India and grew up in a middle-class family. He completed his education and obtained a degree in chartered accountancy. He started his career as a chartered accountant but quickly found that the profession did not suit him. In the mid-80s, Jhunjhunwala began dabbling in the stock market as a hobby, buying small amounts of stock in various companies. However, he quickly found that he had a knack for picking winning stocks and decided to pursue investing full-time. Jhunjhunwala started with a small capital, but through his research and a keen understanding of the market, he was able to make profitable investments. He made his first big break in 1985 when he invested in a textile company that was struggling at the time but had a strong management team. Jhunjhunwala saw the potential in the company and invested heavily in it. The company's fortunes turned around and Jhunjhunwala made a significant profit from his investment.
Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's investment philosophy is centered around finding undervalued companies with strong growth potential and holding on to them for the long term. He believes that the key to successful investing is to have a thorough understanding of the companies in which you are investing and to be patient and disciplined in your approach. Jhunjhunwala is a value investor, which means he looks for companies that are trading at a lower price than their intrinsic value. He is known for his ability to identify companies that have strong fundamentals, such as a solid management team and a strong business model, but are overlooked by other investors. Jhunjhunwala is also a contrarian investor, which means that he often goes against the crowd and buys stocks when others are selling and sells when others are buying. He believes that the stock market is inefficient and that prices of stocks can deviate from their intrinsic value for extended periods of time. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has made many successful investments over the years, but some of his most notable include Titan. Jhunjhunwala invested in Titan, a jewelry and watch company, in the late 90s when the company was struggling. He saw the potential in the company and invested heavily in it. Over the years, he held on to his investment and the company's fortunes turned around. Today, Titan is one of the most successful companies in India and Jhunjhunwala's investment has grown significantly in value. Lupin. Jhunjhunwala invested in Lupin, a pharmaceutical company, in the early 2000s. He saw the potential in the company's strong management team and its pipeline of new drugs. Lupin's fortunes turned around, and the company became one of the most successful pharmaceutical companies in India. Jhunjhunwala's investment has grown significantly in value. Rallis India. Jhunjhunwala invested in Rallis India, an agriculture company, in the early 2000s.
He saw the potential in the company's strong management team and its expanding product portfolio. Rallis India's fortunes turned around, and the company became one of the most successful agriculture companies in India. Jhunjhunwala's investment has grown significantly in value. Aptech Jhunjhunwala invested in Aptech, an education company, in the early 2000s. He saw the potential in the company's strong management team and its expanding product portfolio. Aptech's fortunes turned around, and the company became one of the most successful education companies in India. Jhunjhunwala's investment has grown significantly in value. These are just a few examples of Jhunjhunwala's successful investments. He has made many other successful investments over the years, and his portfolio is a testament to his investment acumen. Through his research and a keen understanding of the market, there are several lessons that investors can learn from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's success. Do your own research. Jhunjhunwala emphasizes the importance of doing your own research and understanding the companies in which you are investing. He believes that investors should not rely solely on the advice of others, but should instead form their own opinions based on their research. Look for undervalued companies with strong growth potential. Jhunjhunwala is a value investor who looks for companies that are trading at a lower price than their intrinsic value. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals, such as a solid management team and a strong business model, but are overlooked by other investors. Be patient and disciplined. Jhunjhunwala has a long-term investment approach, and he believes in holding on to good companies for the long term. He is not swayed by short-term market fluctuations and instead focuses on the long-term potential of a company. Be a contrarian. Jhunjhunwala is also a contrarian investor, which means that he often goes against the crowd and buys stocks when others are selling, and sells when others are buying. He believes that the stock market is inefficient and that prices of stocks can deviate from their intrinsic value for extended periods of time. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Jhunjhunwala is not afraid to take risks when he sees an opportunity. He has made many successful investments over the years, but he has also made some investments that did not pan out. He is willing to take calculated risks, knowing that not every investment will be a winner. By following these lessons, investors can learn from Jhunjhunwala's success and apply his methods to their own investing strategy. It's important to remember, though, that past performance does not guarantee future results, and individual results may vary.
His success serves as a reminder that with the right research, approach, and discipline, anyone can make profitable investments in the stock market.